Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Calcium Booster. What is Leisure Time Calcium Booster? Leisure Time Calcium Booster raises water hardness level while preventing equipment corrosion and foaming. Using this product to maintain proper hardness levels will help extend the life of your spa. Calcium Booster will optimize your spa experience by keeping your water balance. This product is compatible with chlorine, bromine, ozone, and biguanide sanitizers. Product benefits: maintain a hardness level of 150 to 400 ppm. Compatible with chlorine, bromine, ozone, and biguanide sanitizers. For more than 25 years, Leisure Time has been the premier name in spa water care. 1 ounce increases hardness 7 ppm in 500 gallons of water. Usage directions. Step 1. Determine amount of product to be added. The ideal hardness level is 150 to 400 ppm. Step 2. Turn jets on to circulate spa water. Step 3. Pour required amount into the water. Step 4. Run filter for 1 to 2 hours. Step 5. Retest water to ensure proper level. Step 6. Repeat steps 1 to 5 until proper level is obtained. Dosage: 1 FL/Oz per 500 gallons raises calcium hardness 7 ppm. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.